Welcome to PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is Vajra Shot Anti-Drone Gun. Vajra Shot, a handheld India-made anti-drone gun developed by Big Bang Boom Solutions, has captured attention for its effective counter-drone capabilities. Designed for rapid field deployment by the Indian Army and Air Force, it can detect drones up to a range of 4 km, disrupting communication signals to neutralize threats effectively. The device portability and adaptability make it ideal for diverse terrains and fast response scenarios, allowing it to align with India's Make in India initiative for defense technology. The Vajra Shot represents India's commitment to developing indigenous defense solutions that meet modern warfare challenges. Key features of Vajra Shot are: integrates radar for early detection within a 4 km range with optional handheld detection sight for enhanced real-time tracking, disrupts communication frequencies between drones and operators, causing drones to lose control and crash. Lightweight and handheld, Vajra Shot prioritizes field mobility and ease of operation requiring minimal training. The device has received significant orders, underscoring its affordability and effectiveness as a localized solution for India's security requirements. Now moving on to strategic significance of Vajra Shot for India. India's focus on anti-drone technology with the Vajra Shot demonstrates a strategic shift towards self-reliance and indigenous innovation in military tech. The device's unique balance of portability, cost-effectiveness, and user-centered design offers India a flexible and effective solution for modern warfare. Vajra Shot enhances India's defense preparedness, addressing the growing drone threats while positioning the country as a leader in adaptable, rapid deploy counter-drone technologies. Now is the time for practice question. What is the range of detection for the Vajra Shot anti-drone gun? 3 km, 4 km, 5 km or 6 km? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
डियर व्यूअर्स, अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।